We're going to focus on reduce, not lose. Like my wallet. Oh, this wallet, it's too heavy and it just doesn't fit into my handbag. So I'm going to go out tomorrow and I'm going to reduce it in size. I'm going to have it down to that size so it fits nicely into my handbag. So today we're starting with the plan, exactly like with our home. When we build a home, we must start with a plan before we lay the foundation. So today is the plan day. Everybody's body is unique, everybody's gut is unique. It's unique to you and you are your own expert. But we must start with the plan. So I've given you an outline and I've borrowed from some wonderful people that do the SMART system, the S-M-A-R-T. So that could be something like, I am going to reduce from my size, whatever, to a size, whatever, by whatever time. How am I going to, and I'm going to do this by setting aside a couple of hours on a Sunday morning to prepare my food for the week. I'm going to have lots of high fibre food. I'm going to have low carb food. I'm going to have food already there. I'm going to have vegetables with every meal. Ooh, that sounds a bit difficult, but it's not. But the other thing that I'm also going to do, you can put in there, is I'm going to be kind on myself. If I do fall down the rabbit hole, it's not a problem. I can come back up. If I get an invite to go out, I go out. I fill myself full of peace and compassion and I enjoy the meal and the company. Because I can then go back and have my veggies with every meal starting tomorrow. So that's not a problem. I'm going to add the very rich alpha hydroxy acid caffeine into my plan. Because that's going to help me not just be good on the inside, but I'm going to be gorgeous looking on the outside. This is full of, as I said, AHAs, and we know that's in all those very fancy skincare products. It's also very rich in antioxidants. So longevity we're after here, as well as health and looking good and feeling good. I'm going to add brines from the lacto fermentation family. Things like kimchi brine, sauerkraut tonic, the beautiful beet kvass, which is liver cleansing. This will help detoxify my liver. I'm going to also add broths. Just 2 small cups a week. That's all I need. Oops. 2 greens. I'm going to add lots of greens too. But 2 small cups a week. That's all I need. I'll also have vegetable options. Like this very beautiful shiitake mushroom, seaweed, turmeric broth. Turmeric. That's one thing I will be adding as well. It's one of the richest forms of anti-inflammation that I can have, turmeric. Also, I'll be adding aloe vera in time because that, as we know, is so wonderful for sunburn. It's also wonderful for our insides. This all sounds an awful lot, but they're habits changing. This habit changing, I might do 1 or maybe 2 a week until I've set this up. But first of all, I'll start with the plan. Then we'll be back with the foundation. We'll be adding foods like lactobacillus from the lactobacillus, all the different strains of good bacteria family, because we know that by adding these to our diet, in just 6 weeks, we can reduce our weight, we can reduce our tummy fluffiness. Don't really like that fat word, but we can reduce our tummy fat within just 6 weeks. So now, grab your pencil, download your download, and do your plan. And I'll see you soon for the start of the foundation, building the foundation